stars are brightly shining. It is the night of a dear Savior's birth. Oh, yeah. Now long lay the world in sin and never parting till He appeared, and the soul felt its worth. A thrill